Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Kashif Shekhani, your Islamic teacher. I hope you all are doing well. This video is for grade 6 only. So today we are going to start a new topic, Unit 2B, that is Risalat. It's on page number 22. So before starting the chapter, there are 3 questions. You're going to think and then you are going to answer these questions. The first one is, have we been made without any purpose? Second one is, what is the purpose of our life? And the third one is, why did Allah send his Anbiya and Rasuls? So first of all, tell me, what do you mean by Rasul? What does Rasul means? Okay, so Rasul means one who brings a divine message. And what does Nabi means? The one who gives news of Gab. And what does Gab means? Gab means the unseen, the one which is hidden. So these chosen born men of Allah tell us about Allah and his attributes, about angels, Akhirat, Qiyamah, Jannah and Jahannam, and all those things which belong to Ghaib. Hence they are called Anbiya. So dear children, like we can take the example of a machine. Like for example, a machine is made for two things in mind. The first one is the purpose and the other one is system. Everything is made with a specific purpose in mind. Anything made without a purpose is called purposeless or useless. Same the thing goes with the system. A specific system is needed to run a machine. You cannot make a machine run without having a system for running the machine. For instance, we need a fan to produce cool air for our comfort in summer. And if a fan cannot produce which cannot produce cool air because it's defective or because there is no electrical current to run it, it's useless, of course. So when it cannot be thought about a mortal man that he makes anything purposeless or without a specific system, how could it be thought about Allah, who has created the universe, that his most important creations, the humans, have been made by him without the use or purpose? So in order to tell us the purpose of our life, Allah has created an elaborate system of risalah, that is prophethood. And for this, Allah has appointed his chosen Rasul who brought the purpose of life to mankind. Allah Almighty has sent about 124,000 Anbiya and Rasul, from Hazrat Adam alayhi salam to his last one and the most beloved one, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for the same purpose. They all work for the same mission and purpose. Therefore, it is the part of Muslim faith to believe in all of them. So Anbiya and Rasul continue to come for the guidance of every nation. And lastly, our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the leader of all prophets, came for the guidance of entire humanity up to the Qiyamah. So the purpose of our life is to spend our whole life in obeying Allah and worshipping only Him. And if someone does not believe in Rasul and he cannot understand the purpose of life without the guidance from Rasul, one cannot know and understand what Allah wants us to do. So here is the faith in the finality of prophethood. Kindly read the chapter thoroughly, and after reading the chapter, you have to answer these questions. The first question is, why has Allah taken the responsibility of protecting the Quran upon himself? Questions are given on page number 26. There are 5 questions. The first one is, what is the importance of faith in Risalat? Second one is, what does faith in the finality of prophethood or Khatm Nabuwat mean? And the third one is, what has the Prophet said about the finality of his prophethood? And the fourth one is, what was the background of the Battle of Yamama? And the last one is, what happened in Pakistan on 17 September 1974? You have to answer all these 5 questions in your Islamiyat notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz. Take care.